A lot of YouTube commenters wanted a sound check of this stereo, or the subwoofer that I put in here, that JL, and since I've also recently replaced the speakers and all the doors, I figured I'd do a legit sound test. So we replaced the sub, we replaced all the speakers and the doors, all the tweeters are original. We'll go up to 50. I never listened to it that loud, but we'll see. Auxiliary input, we'll close the doors. I think I saw 115. $121, $128. Not bad. 128. Okay. And we'll do a sound check with the whole spectrum. Over limit. Shit. We've got earplugs in, doors closed, engine running. We're at volume 50. Got my auxiliary input. And we're getting up to 20,000. So there you have it. Not a bad performance for this thing. Full spectrum and everything. So this is yeah. Whew. Turn that down to something tolerable. This is just your average run-of-the-mill Amazon special sound level meter, and as you can see, at a normal talking voice it's hitting 80, low 80s, but with the sub it got up to 128, which is pretty insane. And then I just did a full spectrum test from the armrest here, and it peaked out at about 109. That was at the volume about 50 decibels. So this is really the only way to convey a sound test of speakers through YouTube, because in order for you to really hear this, I'd have to have a kick-ass microphone on my cell phone, which I don't. You'd have to have a kick-ass stereo system that you're listening to this on, which you're probably not. And YouTube would have to not compress everything to death like they typically do. So for everybody wanting a sound test of my mostly replaced Lexus stereo, pretty much the only thing original is the amplifier, both amplifiers and the tweeters. But there you have it.